Residents of Nagaram, Tangkhul Avenue, Douala Lane and Ferry Lane have been exposed to frequent floods. Locals have attributed a problem to the Naga Nala, which often get choked whenever they face slight rainfall. They have also blamed the construction along the drain for their plights. While expressing their dissatisfaction over government for not paying attention to the prevailing problem, locals have urged Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen to act on his assurance to construct proper drainage system along the water route. They have urged the government to take necessary steps to prevent further flood in these areas.
Ngasigi thaudoksi government na akoi si phajana yeng bidre haibagi utpane haibadi sumaina thokpam thokte government ama lairaga steady government ama leiba haibasidi infrastructure si yam phajana sabigadobani akoi mayam praja mayam yam ware haibadi yumji thumme handaksi ani subane handaksina amu praja mayam gi awabasi government da amta yengsan biyo haibana Haining bani election matamda lakpanga tana akoi awabasida KG ama cheng piraga asina oiraroi solution di adubo akoi gi turen je kamaina chauthokani kamaina si ising chenhangani si flood chi amuk thoktana ba haibasi government na yangsan bi ba haibasi tawham thokpa amani
authority khoisina somgi turen se moina khujin bse adui main problem se yam adui di problem hanadi si khuram da kan di ising chawra su phajana chelame heba adu hojiti moina som side moina nala khujil laga moina paka sembado semjil labado adu da hojiti ising se phajana chen mangam dre heba mahausa gi turen chawbodo chatpa gi mowong da salambadi Asimuk problem di pangwai haba. Si main turen degi kai benate ba.
Saka nadi Torban kai sida important on laure. Akhoi sida every rainfall da dum flood oirga leirab nina. Torban kai dum chamana dum leirab ne bakhoi di. Adu kari gino to saka na hena. Kari yang san biraga. Kari gino si flood dum tauri se aware oi haning ba.